Alert! Giant waves of 10 meters hit the coast of Great Britain. The sea is choppy and unstable, with dangerous currents that could drag people under. Authorities are urging everyone to stay away from coastal areas and beaches to avoid accidents and property damage. The giant waves are the result of an intense storm that is affecting the region. Strong winds and torrential rains are wreaking havoc in parts of the country, with floods and landslides putting communities at risk. While it's natural to feel fear and concern in the face of extreme weather events like this, it's important to remember that technology and rescue teams are working to minimize damage and protect people. At times like this, it is essential to remain calm, follow the guidelines of the authorities, and seek help in an emergency.